It's day 9. If you've been here from day 1, I am particularly excited about your progress. Today, we are going to look at other functions we can use on our dates to make it more consistent and easier to work with. We could extract the year, the month, the day, and so many others from just a given date. So today I'm going to take you through that, and then you'll be very conversant using dates for your analysis. Let's do this together. Guys, we worked with the oldest data sets from my previous video. We are still going to be maintaining that for this video. We are going to be looking at functions such as year, minutes, month, day 360, and then today. Alright, so in our previous video, we realized that we worked with the function called now. Anytime this function updates, it's going to retrieve the current time and date. So even when I just click enter on the function, realize that it takes the date, that's today, and then 11:19. If I do it once again, it's going to update to 11:20 because the time now is 11:20. So there you have it. Right. The function year is used to retrieve the particular year a date happens to be in. So for example, I just choose this particular year and then I want to put the results in cell C16. So cell C16 highlighted or made active. My formula bar I have equal to, and then the function year, parenthesis, and then I just choose C1, parenthesis close, enter. So it gives me 2023 because this date has the year of 2023. Now you might be wondering, it's obvious that this date is in 2023. So why would I need the function year? You probably will try to split a date into year, month, and day so that you can easily manipulate it. For example, you want to retrieve data between years 2023 and then 2024. So you can use the year to denote which data fall under 2023 and then which data fall under 2024. So these are some of the ways that year function will come in handy for you. Let's try one more time with another date. So I'm going to put that in cells D17 equal to sign year, then choose probably C4 as my input date, enter. So I have 2024 as the year of C4. Okay, now let's move to minutes. Let's type that in our formula builder. There we have it. It returns the minutes, a number from 0 to 59. We all know that 60 minutes make an hour. So if you want to know the particular minute something happened, it's from 0 to 59. It takes a serial number. The serial number is a number in the date time code used by Excel. So it has to just take time. It doesn't really take the date. Let's try it on cell H18 and see. I'm going to pick cell G21 to put my results of the function minutes. So H18, enter. And it's saying this happened in the 25th minute, which is true, 11:25. And I told you now keeps on updating, so 11:25. Okay, so let me try 13:42 here, equal to minutes, J25, parenthesis close, enter. And then we have 42, 13:42. So the minute is 42. All right, so 2 p.m. Let's see what it's going to give us. Equal to sign, minutes, cell J26. Parenthesis close, enter. 0 because it's 2 o'clock exactly, so there are no extra minutes. It's exactly 2, so the result is 0. Right, let's proceed to month, the function called month. So I'm typing it in my formula builder and then I choose month. It says it returns the month a number from 1 to 12, that's January to December. So it actually doesn't write January or February, it just returns the month number. Let's try it with C4. So I have equal to sign, month, enter. So month 8, which we all know is August. Let's try it with this value this time. So I'm going to put the results here, equal to month, cell C8, enter. So I have it as 1. I have it as 1 because cell C8, 22nd January. January is month 1. So I have 1. Let's try it one more time. Equal to month, and then I choose enter, and it's 5 because we are talking about May. May is month 5. All right, let's move to a function called days 360. So it's days with an S, days 360. And it says it returns the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year, 12 30-day months. So it takes the start date, end date, and then the method. So we have the start date, end date, and then method. The method is a logical value specifying the calculation method, false or true. So basically, if you wanted to count the last day of the end date, if it is the last day of the month, when we choose false, it's going to count it. When we choose true, it's not going to count it. So let's just try and find out per our database. We have some dates purchased and then dates delivered. We want to find out how efficient our delivery team is. Do they deliver on time? So we are going to look at the number of days it takes for the deliveries to be done after the item has been purchased. So I'm going to create a new column called efficiency underscore delivery. Let me adjust the width of the column. So when I take the first cell, which is cell K2, equal to sign, I'll use my days 360 function. I have to choose a start date. So my start date is C2, my end date is D2, and then my method. So you can choose to ignore the method. I think the default will be false. And it's saying this took 2 days. It was purchased on the 1st of October 2024, delivered on the 3rd of October 2024. So this took 2 days. Let me try it with this one. So I have days 360, start date, comma, end date, enter, and I have 3 days. Okay, let me try it with the third one, then we'll auto generate for the rest of the delivery times. So I have 3. Again, 15th to 18th is 3 days. So as usual, I can just highlight my pattern and then drag down. So look at this one. Purchased on the 7th of February 2023 and was delivered on the 9th of February 2024. Almost a full year. So this has 362 days. And then 367 days. I have 12 April 2023 and it was delivered on 19th April 2024, almost a full year. So these are the spikes I have in my data, but averagely it takes them about 2 to 3 days to deliver an item that was purchased. All right, so to our final function today is a function that will give you today's date. Let's go and read more about it on formula builder. It returns the current date formatted as a date. The syntax is today. It doesn't take any parameters. So we just go to any cell that we like, and then in the formula bar we enter today. And it gives us today's date, 17th of October 2024, same as I have here. So no matter the number of times you're going to do this, since it's in the same day, you are going to receive the same result. All right, I hope we've been able to understand how to use these functions. Year, to retrieve the year of a particular date. Minute, to retrieve the minutes of a particular time. Month, to retrieve the month in which something happened, so obviously the date. Day 360, to retrieve the number of days between two dates. So we had the start time and then the end time. And then today, which gives us the current date, what date today is. Here we go again. I hope you were able to get a good understanding of concepts today. See you soon. Bye.